stand. What an honor. I see my friend Chuck Weed. One of the reasons I'm standing here is because he, as a retired professor emeriti, said to me at a meal one evening when I said, I've always appreciated what you've done, because he ran as a rep for 14 years, I believe, at the lecture. And he said, oh, there's an opening. And that was 6 years ago. And of course, to be able to shift from Keene State, I'm professor emeriti from the music department, and then to shift, and now to feel as if we have the bridge that's going to Jay. For me, that feels wonderful. And so Jay, I thank you so much for inviting me to be a part of this. Jay has always been one who has come to the Redfern Arts Center and helped us with our students. We've had many music teachers out there that are teaching through the music department, not to mention theater. And I was speaking with Mr. Redfern and his folks. See, we're all related if you look around. I remember Jay coming. What warmed my heart was I remember him coming when I had the youth corps. 70 young singers coming up and just giving everything they had. And then I would have the college choir and the concerts. And I remember having the opportunity to introduce various kinds of music. And we had the good fortune at one time to sing in the synagogue. And it's the most magnificent place to sing. But I should just stop talking about me, and I should talk about the gentleman that I'm here for. I, along with Missy Weber, who is from Walpole, there she is, raising her hand. She's a rep 4 times, Susie? Five. And is Tara Sad here? Okay, she too has been that long. And the next name on the list is me, so I've been there 6 years. Mr. Birch, Paul Birch, Representative Birch. He is from the Walpole area, Westmoreland, and does a wonderful job with us. Mr. Bourdonnais, you don't have John Bourdonnais. Well, all of these people that I'm calling off are state reps, and they all support Jay Kahn. And John Mann, who's from Allsted, who's been leading our band. My name is Oh, I think I'm from North Dakota. And Dick Ames from the, Harrisville, Roxbury, and Jaffrey. These are some of the representatives that I know are encouraging us to vote for Jay. And then, and Will, we have Will here. I'm so happy to see Will. He's one. Your name isn't on the list, but I
haven't formally endorsed that.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, now I've just stuck you on that. And then we have county officials that are helping to support Jay as he makes this new journey. Mr. Rogers, Stillman Rogers, Chuck Weed, who is like my mentor, godfather type person, and Anna Tilton, who has been, how many years have you worked?
Well, I've been in the county for 10 years and I was state rep for 4 years.
So you see the folks surrounding you, and I don't know all of you, except I see some Keene State people that I know. We've all been in the same program together. And during that time, I have been so excited about having Jay Kahn. We didn't work together, but we knew one another. We could see each other. I've seen the work that he's done. He reminds me in a little bit, although he might be a little bit more subdued than I am, but he reminds me that he gets things done. And that's what I believe as being a representative. We want to listen and learn and get things done. And one of the things last night, by the way, I enjoyed what you put on Facebook. That was really awesome. Sorry, a little distraction here. Some of us call it ADHD. Jay joins me, and I know many of my colleagues, when I'm thinking about, do we want Planned Parenthood, or should women have the right to choose? And I don't want to steal his thunder, but this was really important to me. He says he appreciates that he is as concerned as I am about the opiate and heroin epidemic. This is very dear to my heart. We are raising a grandson whose father was who died from this 10 years ago. And that's before it was a big deal. And now it's a big deal, and we're losing people daily, so I know Jay will address that. Yes, he thinks well of health care, especially Medicaid, and I asked him about background checks for firearms, and he said absolutely. And so these are just some of the Democratic tenets that we espouse to, but I also know that our Republican friends, many of our Republican friends, are sitting right there with us. I will stop very soon, but one of the things I noticed about Jay when he was here, he knew how to talk across the lines, whatever those lines are. And that's what's important. One of the greatest things I learned going to the House is that these people are very smart, whether they're Democratic or Republican or whatever. Now, some of them, you know, maybe not that smart, but I appreciate they have us mixed together. And I sit next to the fellow, to me and to my right, who is a Republican. How's your wife? How's your wife? You know, and then he always votes opposite from me. And I don't care. We're friends. We care about one another. That's how I've seen Jay. I know you've sat on so many committees, and you've had to be political, if that's a good word to put there, and genteel, and I'm just really thankful to be able to introduce you, Jay, and welcome all of you as we celebrate Jay.